welcome to my channel. My name is Amber. For those of you who do not know, today I'm going to be making some flaming hot Cheeto crab legs, king crab legs that is, and I have some lobster tails right here. So I'm going to show y'all how I do this. Okay y'all, so I'm back with everything prepared. So I'm just going to show y'all what I have right here. I have some black pepper, some salt. This is my lobster. I have 2 lobsters in here. And then I have 3 eggs in here. And then this is all of the crab meat that came out of those king crab legs. So what I'm going to do now is season my eggs with salt and pepper. Okay, now I'm going to season the lobster tail with Okay, now that that's seasoned, I'm going to crush up these chips now. And this is what I will be using to do that. Okay, so I'm back with my Cheetos crushed up like this. So I'm going to do my lobster, but first I'm going to get a piece of saran wrap so that I can put this on as well as a plate. That's my saran wrap right here on the plate. So I'm going to take both the crab leg and the lobster and dip it in my egg and then into the Cheeto mix. And coat it, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like. Then I'm going to put it on this plate, but it actually has saran wrap on it too, like that. Okay, and I'll put this on the saran wrap. So now I'm going to wash my hands and I'm going to show you what I'm going to do next. Okay, so now I'm back, and now all I'm going to do is wrap the lobster up with this saran wrap. Like that. I'm just gonna put them to the side for right now, and then I'm gonna start on my crab legs. Another piece of saran wrap, and here we go. Alright, so this is what this one's looking like. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of them and then I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, so I just want to show y'all the crab meat that I had left over. All I did was mix the crab meat with the Flaming Hot Cheetos, and I molded some little sticks. Well, they not little, but they big or whatever, but it's still gonna work and it's still gonna be fine. So they're not perfect, but that's okay because they're all gonna be eaten and they're all gonna taste the same anyway. So I'm just gonna put my saran wrap over these. And these are the other ones that I had. Alright, and then last but not least, the lobster tails. So I just stacked everything up on top of each other. And I'm just going to put these in the freezer. And I'm going to put them in for about an hour because I want them to get stuck on here, onto the meat. I want to get the Cheetos stuck onto the meat. Can't get my words out. So I'm going to do that. And then when I come back, I will be frying them. So stay tuned for that. Alright, hey y'all, I am back. My crab legs and lobster tails are still in the freezer. But what I'm gonna do now, and they have been in there for about an hour now. So but what I'm gonna do now is put my oil in my pot to heat up the oil so I can get ready to fry. So I'm gonna put it on in between 6 and 7. I'm gonna pour my oil in here, vegetable oil. Just a little bit more. Alright, that's gonna be good enough. That's how much oil I have in here. Alright y'all, so I've just taken my meat out of the freezer and this is what it's looking like. So I'm just gonna drop it into the grease. And I'm just gonna wait until they get a little darker and start floating to the top. That's how I know that they're ready. And as you can see, most of the breading is staying on just because I put it into the freezer. So yeah, I have a plate right here. I'm just gonna put some paper towel on it so that the grease can be on the paper towel. Go to the paper towel. Okay.
I'll put some gas in.
Okay, so this is how they are looking, and that's going to conclude this video, and until next time, bye.